Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very beautiful hymn, In the Sweet By and By. Just a great hymn to learn. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can print out the lyrics and chord sheet and follow along as we learn this song together. If you're not a current subscriber of my channel, be sure and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. If you enjoy this lesson, be sure and hit the thumbs up. So let's learn this song. Let's get started. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. Okay, this is just a very simple version of how to play this song using three chords, G, C, and D. A lot of songs can be played using these three chords, and this is one of them, G, C, and D. Okay, so we've got G major, C major, and then D major. Okay, let's take time to review how to play these chords real quick. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string of the 3rd fret, then place your little finger, finger number 4, on the very 1st string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. This will be G major. Okay, to play C major, place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 2nd fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but this top E string. This is C major. Okay, and then lastly D major. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, then finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. D major. Okay, this song is written in 4/4 time, so there's 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll just use a simple down-up strumming pattern to keep it simple. But instead of a steady rhythm of down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, I kind of use a shuffle on this song. You go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So just a little shuffle as opposed to straight up and down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So let's look at the chord progression in the G major, okay? There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar. For the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there. Okay, let's play through that one more time. G major, ready? There's a land that is C major, G major, G major, D, G major, C major, G major, G major, D, G. Okay? So let's just sing that through one more time together, okay? There's are kind of lead-in notes, so really you'll start strumming on land, okay, on the downstroke. There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar. For the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there. Okay, now let's look at the chorus. We'll stay in the G chord there, okay? In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. Okay, let's play through that chorus one more time. Ready? And then same as the verse, you'll actually do the down strum on the word sweet. So in the are just kind of lead in words, okay? In the sweet, G major, D major, stay in G, back in G, stay in G, C major, back to G, D, G. Okay, very easy song to learn, and it's got a couple more verses as well. Okay, so let's look at the second verse. Okay, we shall sing on that beautiful shore the melodious song of the blessed, and our spirits shall sorrow no more, not a sigh for the blessings of rest. Then it goes right into the chorus. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by, we shall meet on that beautiful shore. All right, it's a very beautiful song and about heaven and meeting our loved ones in heaven. Just a great hymn. If you enjoyed this lesson, give me the thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. That'll let me know that you're enjoying these lessons and like to see more of these as well. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel in your subscription so I can easily be found. I really appreciate everybody's support. It's been a great couple of years, and I just appreciate everyone viewing and supporting this channel. So have a great day. God bless you.